Hi guys, Wishes from English Talkies. In this slide, we will be concentrating on characteristics of alphabets. Generally, we have 26 letters in English. In these 26 letters, 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 are consonants. We must know that without the combination of vowels and consonants, we could not build the words in English. Vowels is the soul of a word, whereas consonants is the body texture of the word. As a human, we give much importance to soul. Similarly, sounds in English are based on vowels. Let us focus on vowel sounds now. What is vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are the sounds generated by the vowels in the English alphabet. They are produced by the uninterrupted flow of breath. These sounds carry emotions and give due weight to a word. These sounds, if nice and open, can add resonance to your voice. Vowel sounds can be categorized in three broad buckets. They are short vowel sounds. Second one is elongated vowel sounds. And the last is diphthongs. Let's have the overview of these sounds in detail. Short sounds, the first one. In this short sounds, the word pronunciation are short. For example, I could give you some 10 words for you. First one, fish, ship, tip, net, fun, book, block, fought, caught. Similarly, like apple, computer, America, message. So these are short sounds. Next, we have elongated sounds. From the word, you could understand that these sounds are elongated. It means the sounds are stretched typically. Let me give you some words for you on elongated sounds where you have to stretch the sounds. For example, tree, read, free, horse, bird, mask, food, father, tooth, rude, never, and the last, possible. So these are elongated sounds, and the next upcoming one, the final one, which is very vital and significant, it's termed as diphthongs. Diphthong is a vowel sound in which the tongue changes its position to produce the sound of two vowels, that is, getting two vowel sounds in a single syllable. We have 8 combinations here. They are A, I, O, ow, oi, ear, oo, air. The first one, A sound, based on this, I could give you some examples for you. That is train, remainder, name, famous. And the next one, I. The words are 5, might, right, mind, light, provide. Alright, so the third one is O stress, that is O sounds. Some of the words are oats, go, soap, nope, cargo, owner. Fine. Next, the fourth one is ow. The words are account, amount, around, mountain, fountain. And the next one, fifth one, that is oi. It's boy, tile, coil, file, enjoy, convoy. And the next one is yeah. The words are bear, cheer, near, fear, clear. And the seventh one is ooh. That is tourist, pure, mature, nature, schedule. And the last one, it's air. That is care, pair, repair, prepare. So these are the 8 combinations of diphthongs which will help you to completely get into the native speaker's accent. But if you are focusing on the neutral accent, I would suggest you to focus on the short vowel sounds and the elongated vowel sounds. It helps you and enhances you to completely speak English without the mother tongue influence. Alright guys, see you in the upcoming videos or slides. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.